Hello friends, I am Sumesh, 3x Your Sales. As a salesperson, you will be facing lot of changes. Like you will be exposed to a lot of changes in the market, lot of changes in the company, organization where you are working, and of course within the team, within the product strategies, everything, and of course within the customers profiling as well. So as a salesperson, if you want to be really productive as well as if you want to be happy also, for that you need to develop one capacity called adaptability. The power of adaptability is nothing but when you are facing or exposing to a new situation, you are accustomed to that very fast. Okay, but you will not be looking into the backstory, like there it was very fine, but now and from with this new conditions it is very difficult. So ultimately what is happening is, which is not at all, you are running behind, which is something which is unable to control. So here you are, the moment you are thinking about the old situation, like if the previous manager was there, he was very good, or the previous company, that product pricing was very good, now the MRP has increased. This kind of changes, when you are looking into the old story, ultimately the mind will be going down and you will become unsatisfied or even unhappy also. So there is no positivity in that. So what I mean to say, as a sales professional, since you are exposing to a lot of changes very shortly, especially in this today's nowadays, we know that pandemic is there and so many changes we are getting into this. So with that, so what is happening is, if to expose that when we are exposing to that kind of changes, to develop the productivity and the happiness, and to maintain the lifestyle, and of course the work lifestyle balancing also, everything comes under this. Okay, if you are developing this adaptability, so what I mean to say, adaptability will come by this by few of the things, like when you are the moment you are getting a change, accept the change. That is the first thing which you have to do. You have to accept the change, what has happened here. Okay, yeah, it is happened, the manager has changed, or the product price has changed, or the company has changed the strategy, company has changed the free offer, whatever it is, incentives, okay, whatever it is. So it is a reality, and then you need to think about two things: what is controllable, and the what is, which are all things which is not able to control. So accordingly, you take one call. Whatever the uncontrollables are there, remove them and delete it from your mind. Don't look into that again. And whatever the controllable things are there, work on it and drive towards the budget, or whatever the target or goal you wanted to do. Look into that only and use whatever the things which is in there in your hand. Once you are accepting and going forward with a positive note, the advantage is that you will become more productive, you will be happy, you will not feel like any kind of disappointment or anything. So don't the and before accepting itself, what I suggest is, don't be attached with any of these surrounding situations. It will be all, it is all today. If you are able to do, it is okay, today it is there, but you are not sure tomorrow what will happen to that. So it is very important to be adaptable as a sales professional. So if you must be having this capacity already inside your mind, but this video, why I have done is because you need to understand this, and you need to observe your adaptability power inside the mind, which will help you to become more productive and of course being happy as a sales professional. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.